Everyone, and welcome back to our new session of mathematics. Today I'm really excited to solve this additional mathematics paper. The code is 0606. This is a recent paper, February March 2022, and this is paper 1. This is for 2 hours. Here are some formulas. Even though formulas are given, but you should memorize all these formulas to fast your calculation. So first one is the quadratic formula. That's very simple. This is binomial theorem. A plus b to the power n equals a to the power n plus nc1. So generally ncr can be written as bracket n and r like this. So this is ncr. We know we can use directly calculator, or this formula is given n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. This is arithmetic series. This is nth term. This is sum up to n terms of arithmetic series, where first term is given and L means last term is given. Or we can apply for Sn formula. When first term is given and the common difference is given, then we can apply this, or we can apply this. This is geometric series, where nth term is this. Sn is a 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Make sure r should not be 1 over here. And this is sum up to infinite terms of geometric series, where common ratio mod r is less than 1. Let us understand that. So guys, mod r less than 1 means r lies between minus 1 to 1. So if common ratio lies between minus 1 to 1, then only we can find s in infinity, or we can apply this formula. Now, identity of trigonometry. These are very famous identity of trigonometry. The first one is sine square a plus cos square a 1. Now 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. 1 plus cos square a is cosec square a. So we have to change. For example, we need to change cosec square a in terms of cot, then we will apply this. Or we need to change sec square in terms of tan, then we can apply this. Or suppose we need to change tan square in terms of sec square, then we have to write tan square a equals sec square a minus 1. So we need to change that. Now this is sine rule. We know that this is cosine rule, and this is area of the triangle. Oh, now this is our first question. The question says, find the values of k such that the line does not meet the curve. So we know that this is our curve and this is a line. When we solve, then these two lines, since these two curves are not intersecting, that's why the discriminant must be less than 0, right? No solution should be there. So just equate this y to this, because this is also y and this is also y. So right, instead of this y, we have to write this term. So this is 9kx plus 1 equals kx squared. Now 3x, 2k plus 1 and plus 4, right? One more time. This y equals 9kx plus 1, and this is kx squared, 3x bracket 2k plus 1 plus 4. Okay, that's great. Now we have to make a quadratic equation. So we have to shift. We have to take this left, all terms to right side. So we can write kx squared, then we can write 3x, then this is 2k plus 1, and this minus 9kx will be there because it is shifting to right side. Then the sign will change, and plus 4, and since 1 we have to shift to that side, minus 1. And this side, left side, we have nothing, so that's a 0. Okay, so now this is kx squared. I think we can take x common, guys. So we are just taking x common. So 3 times 2, that's 6k. 3 times 1, that is 3. I took only x outside, right, from these two. So from here we have minus 9k, and 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now we have kx squared. This is x, and this is 3, and 6k minus 9k, which is minus 3k, and plus 3 equals 0, right? Now if we compare this with our quadratic equation, then a equals k, because x squared coefficient is k, Now b is the x coefficient, which is 3 minus 3k, and the c is constant. Now we got this quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation will not have a single root. It won't have any root because it does not meet the curve. And we know that if any quadratic equation will not give you any root, it means discriminant must be negative, right? What is the meaning of d? D is b square minus 4ac less than 0. Now what is b? 3 minus 3k, that's whole square, minus 4 times a is k and c is 3, which is less than 0. Now we can expand that, right? So this will be 9 minus 3 times 3, 9, and then again 2, so it's 18k and 9k square. You know that we can apply a minus b whole square formula, or you can multiply this bracket 2 times, then you will get 9, and minus 18k, 9k square, and 4 times 3, that's 12, and the k, so 12 minus 12k. So this is 9k square. Now minus 18k and minus 12k, how much? This is minus 30k, and plus 9 is there, right? Less than 0. Okay, so can we find roots of this? Okay, let's use calculator now. So our calculator can give us answer. 9 minus 30 and 9. So guys, roots are 3 and 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 and 3, right? And since k square coefficient is positive, so our graph is this. Now this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, we know. So our roots will be from here to here. Okay, roots means the given or the required condition of k. This whole expression is less than 0, so we have to check for the those values of k for which our expression will give negative values. So only this is the portion below of x-axis, so here it will be negative, right? So finally k answer is 1 over 3 to 3. Okay, is there anything such values of k? So okay, we found value of k. Okay, now guys, let's move to the next question. Do not use calculator in this question. Okay, solve and giving you a solution in the form of, okay, that's fine. Now we have to apply a discriminant formula where a equals 3 minus 5 root 3, b equals 2 root 3 plus 5, and c equals minus 1. We know that x equals minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now x equals minus b is 2 root 3 plus 5 plus minus root of 2 root 3 plus 5. So this is b square minus 4, 3 minus 5 root 3, 4a, and c is minus 1, right? So b square minus 4ac over 2 times 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, now this is minus 2 root 3, then minus 5 plus minus, let us expand that. So 2 root 3 whole square will be 12. It would be, guys, yeah, so 3 4 times 3, that's 12. Then 5 square 25, then 5 times 2 times 2, that's 20 root 3. And first of all, minus 4 times minus 4 times 3, that's minus 12, and then again minus 1, that's plus 12. Okay, minus 4 times minus 5 root 3, so plus 20 root 3, and again minus 1, so minus 20 root 3. And 2 is here, I'm not gonna multiply. Might be we can cancel numerator some number by 2, and this is 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, here there must be something, guys. Here we have to check very carefully inside this root. Okay, so x is minus 2 root 3 minus 5 plus minus. Please check here carefully. So what is that? This is 12 and this is 12. That's 24 and 25. That's 49, guys. And 20 root 3. Oh, minus 20 root 3 minus 20 root 3 got cancelled. Okay, so here nothing. So that's 0. And this is 2 times 3 minus 5 root 3. That's great. Now x equals minus 2 root 3 minus 5. You know, root 49 will be 7. So plus 7 I'm considering. And 2 times 3 minus 5 root 3. And guys, another answer would be minus 2 root 3 minus 5 from here. And this minus I'm going to take right now. So minus 7 over 2 times 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, now let us solve further. So this is minus 2 root 3 and minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2. And this is 2, 3 minus 5 root 3. And here minus 2 root 3 minus 12 over 2 times 3 minus 5 root 3. Wow, now we can divide numerator with the help of 2. So here it is minus root 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 5 root 3. And here also we can divide minus 2 root 3 over 2, that's root 3, and minus 6 over 3 minus 5 root 3. So my dear students, actually we got our x. But you know, as you remember the questions, it says carefully, we need our answer in terms of a plus b root 3. It means nothing is in denominator, but we have something in denominator. So technically we have to remove this part from here and we have to remove this part from here. Now the question would be how to remove that. That's a very simple, guys. We need to rationalize. So minus 5, not minus 5, it is minus root 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, now we have to rationalize denominator. So 3 plus 5 root 3 over 3 plus 5 root 3. Okay, now similarly, guys, here also, and 3 plus 5 root 3 over 3 plus 5 root 3. Now let us solve that. So minus root 3 times 3. So this is minus 3 root 3. Then minus root 3 times 5 root 3. So that would be minus 15. And 1 times 3, that is 3. 1 times 5 root 3, that is 5 root 3 only. And in denominator, now we are going to get rid of root from denominator, because this is a minus b times a plus b, which is a square minus b square format. So this is 3 square minus 5 root 3 whole square, right? Oh, we don't have a space. So where can I explain? Over here. X equals minus 3 root 3 and 5 root 3. Okay. And minus 15 plus 3, that's minus 12. And minus 3 root 3, 5 root 3, that's 2 root 3 actually. Over 3 square is 9 and 5 root 3 square is 5 square is 25, so that's 75. Okay, so let me calculate over here. 3 square is 9 and 5 root 3 square is 75 actually. So I will get minus 66 here. Okay guys, now minus 12 over minus 66 plus 2 root 3 over minus 66. So what we are going to get right now, yes guys, with minus 12 over minus 66, you can use calculator there. You can get 2 over 11 and plus 2 over minus 66, you will get minus 1 over 33 times root 3. So this is your one answer, but we have not completed yet. This is remaining, guys. Okay, let me use another color. X equals minus root 3 times 3, that is minus 3 root 3. Minus root 3 times 5 root 3, that's minus 15. Minus 6 times 3, that's minus 18. And minus 6 times 5 root 3 is minus 30 root 3 over, again, you know, this is 3 square minus 5 root 3 whole square. Okay guys, so minus 3 root 3 and minus 30. So I got minus 33 root 3, and here minus 15 minus 18 we will add, we will get minus 33, and 3 square minus 5 root 3 whole square we already got minus 66. So it is minus 66. Now guys, minus 33 root, that's half, right? Half root 3, and that's also half. So guys, we can write half plus root 3 over 2. So this is one answer, and this is another answer. Okay, fine. Now come to the next question. This is question number 3. The curve with the equation passes through the points. Okay, it is given that a sine bx plus c has period. Okay guys, so period is given. We have y equals a sine bx plus c, right? And we know period is 2 pi over x coefficient, which is b, right? And the period is, guys, 16 pi. So 16 pi equals 2 pi over b. Now this is 16 pi b equals 2 pi, b equals 2 pi over 16 pi, b equals actually 1 over 8, right? Okay, fine. So now we can write y equals a times sine 1 over 8x plus c. Okay, now pass it through the points. Oh, x is 4 pi, y is 11. Okay, y is 11, and a times sine 1 over 8 times x is 4 pi plus c. So what is that? 11a, and this is actually pi by 2, so sine pi by 2 is 1. So guys, I got 11 equals a plus c. This is my first equation. Okay, now let me change the color. Now put y as 5 because we need to substitute this point. Y as 5. Now a sine 1 over 8, and x is minus 4 pi by 3 plus c, right? One more time guys, just put y as 5 here, here. So y as 5, then a sine, now b was 1 over 8, so a sine 1 over 8, and x is minus 4 pi by 3 plus c. So 5, this is a, this is sine, this is actually 1 over minus 1 over 2 pi by 6 minus pi by 6 plus c. So 5a sine minus pi by 6 is, guys, minus half plus c. Okay, you can use calculator, no need to worry about it. Okay, that's great. Now can you multiply by 2 to get rid of denominator 2? So 10 minus a plus 2c, right? This is another equation. 10 equals minus a plus 2c. Just just we have to add these two, or we need to solve these two. So 11 equals a plus c, and this is 10 equals minus a plus 2c. Just add these two. So this is 21, guys, this is 0, this is 3c. So c will be 21 over 3, that's 7. Okay, so we got c 7. Okay, now but we need to find a as well, so just you can put c7 in that. So 10 equals minus a plus 2 times 7. So 10 minus 14 equals minus a equals minus 4. Okay, so guys, I got 10 minus 14 minus 4 equals minus a is plus 4. Okay, so we got from here, we got y equals 4 sine 1 over 8x plus c, and c was 7. Okay, this is my y. Find the exact values of ABC, so that we found. Now, using your answer to part A, find the coordinates of minimum point on the curve for this. By the way, I should write this: y equals 4 times sine 1 over 8x plus 7. There are many ways to find the minimum coordinate. However, we can draw our curve also, or we can try to find with the help of range concept. So I would like to explain over here in this form. Guys, sine 1 over 8x has range -1 to 1. We know that. If you multiply by 4, then 4, 4, and 4. So we got 4 sine 1 over 8x has range -4 to 4, right? But our question is not 4 sine 1 over 8x. We have to add 7 as well. So add 7, 7, 7. This is our y, and this is our 3, and this is our 11. So this is our range, right? Okay, so by the way, we will have minimum value of y is 3. So we can say y minimum is 3, but we have to find x also. So we need to solve that. Okay, just put 3 here to solve further. So 3 equals 4 sine 1 over 8x plus 7. Now take 7 to right side. 3 minus 7 is -4, and -4 over 4 is -1. So sine of 1 over 8x equals -1. Okay, that's great. Now, you know, when sine can give you -1, when? Okay, let us understand. When we have y equals sine theta. Okay, this is the graph of sine theta, right? Okay, it goes on. So this is pi, we know. This is pi by 2, we know. This is 3 pi by 2, we know, and it goes on, right? So guys, now it is -1, right? So -1, this is our -1. So -1 you can get when x as 3 pi by 2, right? So guys, if I write this, sine of 1 over 8x equals -1. So this is like theta, okay? Okay, this is theta. So theta will be 3 pi by 2. So 1 over 8x equals 3 pi by 2 I can write. Understood? Now, if you write, if you solve further, then this is 3 pi by 2 times 8, which is 12 pi. Okay guys, so now for this particular question, if x equals 12 pi, then y equals 3, and of course this y is minimum. So minimum coordinate, I will say 12 pi comma 3. Okay, so guys, 12 pi comma 3 will be the minimum coordinate, because we need to find coordinates of minimum point. Okay, so 12 pi comma 3. Now move to the next question. Show that let's change the color. Yeah, show that can be, oh, that's very simple. This is 2x minus 1 whole square, and here it is only 2x minus 1. So let us multiply 2x minus 1 here, and 2x minus 1 was already there, and 2x minus 1 I have written. I mean, this is, and this one extra, because denominator will be whole square, and this is 4 over 2x minus 1 whole square. Guys, now you know denominator is same. This is 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So this is 2x minus 1 whole square, and the numerator part you can add. So that is 2x, and minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Okay, so that is one, that is only for 1 mark. So this is enough. Now we have to integrate that. You know, when you need to integrate this, so we have to use partial fraction to break this, and already it was here. Okay, so what we are gonna do, guys, this is 2 to 5. We have to break this in this form, which is already there. So write 1 over 2x minus 1 plus 4 over 2x minus 1 whole square, and we need to integrate this. Okay, now 2 to 5, this is 1 over 2x minus 1 plus 4 times 2x minus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. This 1 over 2x minus 1 integration is ln 2x minus 1 mod over 2, and this is 4 times 2x plus 1 to the power minus 1 over minus 1, and has limit 2 to 5. Okay, just put upper limit, guys, 5 here. Ln 2 times 5 minus 1 mod over 2 plus 4 over minus 1, we can write minus. So 4 over minus 1, we can write minus. So minus 4, and again 2 times 5 plus 1 has to the power minus 1. This is my upper limit only. Now minus lower limit, put 2. So ln mod 2 times 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 4. 2 times 2 plus 1 has to the power minus 1. Okay. So guys, this is ln 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So ln 9 over 2. And this is minus 4 times 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 has to the power minus 1. So it is 1 over 11. Okay, great. Minus, and 4 minus 1, ln 3. So minus ln 3 over 2. And minus times minus 4, it is plus 4 times 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 to the power minus 1, 1 over 5. Okay. So guys, we should write these two together. So guys, this is ln 9 minus ln 3 over 2, because denominator is same, and minus 4 over 11 plus 4 over 5, right? So I think we need to give our answer. Use log property, guys, here. This is ln 9 over 3 over 2, and we can calculate that, right? So minus 20 plus 44, it's 24. Okay, how much, guys? Let's use calculator. This is minus 4 over 11 and plus 4 over 5. How much? It's 24 over 55. Okay, I got this. So 24 over 55 I got. Okay, so is everything all right? I think, oh, okay, I think here 4, okay, 4, 2x minus 1. Oh, here we have to write x coefficient in the denominator, guys. So please, it's my bad. I should have written 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, and 2 here in the denominator. So minus 4 over 2 times 11, minus 2 over 11 actually, minus 2 over 11, and 4 over 2, it's 2 over 5. Okay, now how much? Minus 2 over 11 plus 2 over 5. This is 12 over 55. From where I'm getting 11? Minus 1 times 2 is, minus 1 times 2 is 2. From where I'm getting 11? Guys, somewhere I think I have done mistake somewhere. Okay. Okay, let's correct it. So guys, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is, yeah, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Two x. Okay. So guys, after integration, it would be 1 over 2x minus 1 integration is ln 2x minus 1 mod over 2 plus 4 times 2x minus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 over minus 1, and x coefficient also we have to write. Okay, and we have to provide limit. So lower limit is 2, upper limit is 5. So let's put upper limit, guys. So ln 2 times, okay, let me show 2 times 5 minus 1 mod over 2, and 4 over minus 2, guys, it's minus 2, and 2 times 5 minus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, this is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, ln 2 times 2 minus 1 over 2, and 4 over minus 2 is minus 2. 2 times 2 minus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, now let us solve further. This is ln 9 over 2 minus 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1 is 9 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 9, and then minus ln 3 over 2 minus times minus is plus, and 4 minus 1 is 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 3. Okay, combine these two together and these two together. So guys, ln 9 minus ln 3 over 2 minus 2 over 9 plus 2 over 3. So guys, it will be ln 9 over 3 over 2, and it would be 6 minus 2, that is yeah, 7 by 9. Can we write 3 and 3? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So guys, 4 by 9. Okay, and this is ln 3 over 2. ln 3 over 2 plus 4 by 9. So this can be your answer. Or if you want to write more, then half times ln 3 plus 4 by 9 we can write, and this half you can write in the power of 3. So ln 3 to the power half plus 4 by 9 we can write, and you can write ln root 3 plus 4 by 9. This will be your answer, and even this answer is also equally important or equally valid, so there is no problem at all. Okay, now move to the next question. The variables x and y are such that find dy by dx. So we have to apply quotient rule, guys. You know quotient rule? Quotient rule says u over v dash u dash v minus uv dash over v square. Okay, so dy by dx or y dash equals ln 2x square minus 3 dash times 3x minus ln 2x square minus 3 times 3x dash over 3x whole square. Okay, now I will differentiate. y dash or dy by dx equals, first I'll draw this line. So guys, this ln differentiation is 1 over, first of all, so this is 2x square minus 3, then times 2x square minus 3 differentiation is 4x, then times 3x minus ln 2x square minus 3, and 3x dash is 3, and denominator is 9x square. Okay, so what I can do right now, dy by dx or y dash equals, this is actually 4x times 3x, so that is 12x square. So guys, 12x square over 9x square, and this is 2x square minus 3, and here minus 3, this 3 I took here, so minus 3 ln 2x square minus 3 over 9x square. Okay, so if you want to write as a final answer, then you can write dy by dx, x square and x square we can cancel, 3 times 3 9 and 4, so guys we can write 4 over 3 2x square minus 3, and minus, we can write minus 1 over 3x square ln 2x square minus 3, right? So we can write like that. So it is just a differentiation. I don't think this is a very difficult problem. If you know the quotient rule, then you can definitely solve that. Okay, now move to the next question. Find the approximate change in y. Okay, so guys, approximate change in y equals dy by dx times, okay, delta x. Okay, dy by dx times delta x. So dy by dx already we already found that. So 4 over 3, this is 2x square minus 3 minus 1 over 3x square ln 2x square minus 3, and then times delta x. Guys, initially x was 2 and it has reached to 2 plus h. So what's the delta x? I mean gap of these two, only h, so it should be h, and we have to put x as 2. So now put x equals 2. So after that, okay, let's put x equals 2. After putting x equals 2, we will get calculation of this part when you put x equals 2 as 1.3254, so we can write 1.33 and h. Okay, h will be there, so your answer should be in terms of h over here. Now move to the next question. At the instant when x is 2, y is increasing at the rate of 4, y is increasing, right? So guys, dy by dt is given, right? 4, find the corresponding rate of increase in x. So dx over dt we need to find. No problem. What is y? This is our y, right? So guys, y equals, actually we have to use this concept, guys. Let me show this. Y equals, this is ln, this is 2x square minus 3 over 3x, right? Now differentiate both sides with respect to time. So dy by dt equals differentiation of this, right? Differentiation of this, and we have to put x equals 2 also, right, in that differentiation. So that value already we have, it is only for 2 marks, so no need to show again and again. So just use this result. So dy by dt equals 1.33, and since we are differentiating in terms of another variable, so we have to write dx over dt as well. Now dy by dt is given to us, that's 4. So 4 equals 1.33 dx over dt. So dx over dt is 4 over 1.33. Now let's use calculator. 4 over 1.33, that's equals 3 point how much, guys? I got 1.33, and this is 4 units per second. Is this 1.33? I got 1.33. Okay guys, just now I have checked this once again. I found this is not 1.33, this is 0. Cut this, this is 0.133, so it is 0.133 h. So here it would be 0.133 h, but instead of h we have to write dx over dt. Now remove this and write 0 point. Okay, now again remove this and write 0.133. okay, now let's use calculator. 4 over 0.133, so that is 30.07 something. So okay, so, round value we can say 30 or 30.1. So I hope you understood. Just we need to check this part. So if you put x equals 2 here in this, you will get 0.133. okay, so now our next question. Normal to the curve at the point P with x coordinate meets the x-axis at the point Q. The line x equals pi over 12 meets the x-axis at the point R. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so normal to the curve. So first of all, we have to differentiate to get the gradient. Okay, gradient of the tangent. So guys, m is, I'm assuming, gradient of tangent, which will be dy by dx at x equals pi by 12. okay, so let us differentiate. One differentiation is 0, tan differentiation is sec squared 3x, and 3x differentiation is 3. Now we have to put in this x equals pi by 12. So guys, this is sec squared 3 times pi by 12 times 3. Okay, so this is 1 over, actually this is cos square pi by 4 times 3, and the cos square cos pi by 4 is 1 over root 2, so that will be 2 times 3, which is 6. okay, now we know that if we have gradient of tangent, then we can find gradient of normal, right? Can we find, guys? Can you make it empty? Gradient of tangent, gradient of tangent. Now gradient of normal, I am assuming mn, which is minus 1 over mt, because these two are perpendicular, so minus 1 over 6. Okay, and x coordinate is given, we need to find y. So just put x equals pi by 12 in that to get y. 1 plus tan of 3 times pi by 12, which is 1, plus this is tan pi by 4, which is 1, so that is 2. So guys, p coordinate, because x meets the at the point P, x coordinate. So p coordinate I got guys pi by 12 comma 2. So suppose this is the tangent, then this would be the normal, and this is the point P, and this is pi by 12 comma 2, and I'm considering this one as tangent and this one as normal. So normal gradient also we have minus 1 over 6 pi by 12 comma 2. Yeah, it's fine. So we need to find equation of normal now. Equation of normal, which is y equals mx plus c. M is minus 1 over 6, and we have to find the value of c. So we need to pass this point with this line. So y is 2 minus 1 over 6 times pi by 12 plus c, right? So guys, c equals 2 plus 2 plus pi over 72. Okay, so I got equation of normal as from here y equals minus x over 6 plus 2 plus pi over 72. I got this as y, equation of normal. Now what's the question? Normal meets x-axis at the point Q. Okay guys, so this is my normal. Okay, so when this normal will meet x-axis at the point Q, then what will be the point Q? At point Q, of course y will be 0, right? Because on x-axis y is always 0. So put y 0 in this. So guys, if y is 0, then it is minus x over 6 plus 2 plus pi by 12. So x over 6 equals 2 plus pi by 12. Now multiply by 6. So x equals 12 plus pi by 12, right? So we will get x coordinate of q. X coordinate of q is 12 plus pi by 12. Okay, so now guys, we have p, this coordinate, we have q. Let's see what other things are there. Meets x, the line x equals pi by 12 meets x-axis at the point R. The line meets x-axis. Oh, the line x equals pi by 12 meets x-axis at the point R. Can we plot guys these points? I'm going to plot how many space. Okay, space we don't have. So now we are here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Point P is pi by 12 comma 2. So this is pi by 12. So guys, this point, this is pi by 12. So this point is pi by 12 comma 2. Okay, this is my point P. Okay, where is point Q? Point Q will be here, because it is pi by 12 plus 12 comma 0. Okay, this is point Q. Okay, and this point P, and PQ is the normal, right? So it is our normal. It is our normal. Okay, this is my normal. Now what's the question? X equals pi by 12 meets x-axis at the point R. So x equals pi by 12 will be this line. So this is P. Okay, this is R. Find the area of the triangle PQR. Okay, this, so that's very simple. This is pi by 12, this is pi by 12 plus 12. So guys, this length will be 12 only, because this gap we need to find. Pi by 12 plus 12, and this is pi by 12. Just take difference, you will get 12. And this height already we found, right? Already we had this height. This is pi by 12 comma 2. So this height is 2, and this is right angle triangle. So guys, area of the triangle of this will be how much? It became very simple right now. This is 12, this is 2, and this is 12. So area of this type of triangle is half times base times height, and cancel. This is 12. So what's the answer? Area of the triangle is 12 only. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, if you did not understand, then you can go over this question once again. Now question number 7. The curve y equals fx is such that the curve passes through the point. The gradient of tangent to the curve is already given. Find the fx. Yeah, that's fine. It's not at all a difficult one. First of all, this point is passing through the curve, and gradient of tangent and the gradient of the tangent to the curve. So your curve is again passing through this, and gradient is given. So this is d2y over dx square, which is 2 minus 3x to the power minus 1 over 3. Okay, if you integrate once, then d2y over dx square integration is dy over dx. And now we can integrate 2 minus 3x to the power minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over minus 1 over 3 plus 1 times x coefficient, which is minus 3, and plus c, right? So guys, dy by dx, I will get 2 minus 3x to the power 2 over 3 over 2 over 3 times minus 3, which is minus 2, and plus c, right? But gradient at x equals minus 2, right? At x equals minus 2, gradient is given to us, that's minus 6. So put dy by dx as minus 6, and 2 times minus 3 times x is minus 2 to the power 2 over 3 over minus 2 plus c. So now how much we will get, guys? Minus 6 equals minus 3 times minus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 to the power 2 by 3 is 2 squared, that is 4 over minus 2, that's minus 2. So guys, c equals minus 4 I got. Okay, so guys, we got dy by dx equals minus half times 2 minus 3x to the power 2 over 3, and c is minus 4, right? So we got dy by dx now. Okay, after that, oh, we need to find fx, so we have to integrate once again. How much space we have? We have little space, so I will use this part now. Yes, we need to integrate this once again. So guys, this is dy by dx, right? If you write dx here, and minus half 2 minus 3x to the power 2 by 3 minus 4 dx, and if we integrate, then this will be your y, and this is minus half times 2 minus 3x to the power 2 over 3 plus 1, which is 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 times x coefficient minus 3, and minus 4 integration is minus 4x, and we have to write constant, which I will write as c dash. Okay, then minus half times 5 over 3 times minus 3, that's cancel, minus 5. This is 1 over 10. Okay, this is 2 minus 3x to the power 5 over 3 minus 4x plus c dash. I need to find c dash. For that, yeah, our point is passing through minus 2 comma 10.2. So y is 10.2, and 2 minus 3 times minus 2 to the power 5 by 3 minus 4 times minus 2 plus c dash. So guys, this is 10.2, 1 over 10 times, this is 8 to the power 5 by 3. Okay, use our mental math, then 2 to the power 5, then it will be 32. Okay, and this is plus 12 plus c dash. So guys, this is 10.2, this is 3.2 plus 12 plus C dash. Okay, then how much we will get, guys? 10.2 minus 3.2 equals 12 plus C dash, right? What is 10.2 minus 3.2? How much? Any idea? Yes, that is 7, right? So 7 equals 12 plus C dash. So C dash is 7 minus 12, which is minus 5. Okay. Now, can we verify it once again? Yes, minus 4 times, see here I did right, and here minus 4 times minus 2 is, that's why we should cross verify. Okay, so this is plus 8, this is plus 8, this is plus 8, this is plus 8. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Okay, then C dash I got minus 1. Yes, finally we got our answer, guys. This is our y, right? Y equals 1 over 10 times 2 minus 3x to the power 5 by 3 minus 4x, and C dash is minus 1. So finally this is our answer. Okay, so whenever you are doing some calculation, guys, then you must cross verify, okay, or you should go over again your solution. Okay, so now we did question 7. Let's move to the next question. How many questions are left? Oh, many questions. Okay. In this question, all lengths are in meters and all times are in seconds. A particle A is moving in the direction of this with a speed of 58. Find the velocity vector of A. Okay, so velocity vector of A would be 58 times unit vector of direction, which is minus 20, 21, and minus 20 square plus 21 square, right? So how much, guys? It's 58 over root it's 2, so 2 minus 20 and 21, so it will be actually minus 40 times, oh sorry, minus 40 and 42. Okay, this will be your answer. It's only for 1 mark. It's more than enough to show this explanation. Given that A is initially at the point with position vector this, write down the position vector of A at time t. Right, at time t. Initial, this is initial position vector, right? And write down the position vector of A at time t. Okay. A particle is moving in the direction. Okay, this is the direction, guys. This is the direction with the speed of this. So already velocity of A I got minus 40 and 42, and A is initially at the point here. And write down the position vector of A at time t. Okay, here. So for this we have initial position vector plus lambda times or t times of direction vector, which is this. Okay, so next move to a particle B starts to move such that its position vector at time t is this. Okay, Find the displacement vector of AB. Okay guys, so now here point A we can solve further. This is 5 and t times minus 40, it's minus 40t, and minus 3, and this is 42t. So guys, here we have point A, here we have point B. So for point A we have 5 minus 40t and minus 3 plus 42t, and for B we have, for B this is given minus 35t plus 4, 44t minus 2. Now we can find AB. So it's just a difference, minus 35t plus 4 minus 5 plus 40t. Oh, not divide. It's not divide guys. Now 44t minus 2 plus 3 minus 42t. So we will get AB now guys. Minus 35t plus 40t, it's a 5t only, and then how much? 4 minus 5. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 44t minus 42t, so that's 2t plus 1, right? So I got AB, displacement vector AB. Now hence find the displacement AB in the form of this. So that's nothing, it's just a length formula, that's it. Root of 5t minus 1 whole square plus 2t, okay, 2t plus 1 whole square. Now just calculate. So 5t minus 1 whole square is 25t square minus 10t plus 1, and here 4t square, 4t plus 1. You can expand bracket, 25t square and 4t square, that's 29t square minus 6t plus 2. Okay, so 29t root 29t square minus 6t plus 2 I got. Anything else? Find the value of t when distance AB. Just we need to equate that. So root 6 equals root 29t square minus 6t plus 2. Now square both sides guys. So 29t square minus 6t plus 2. Make it quadratic. 29t square minus 6t plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 equals 0. Now use your calculator. Okay, so 29, then minus 6, then minus 4. I got some complex numbers, so not complex number but complex form, like in root I got the answers. So first is 3 plus 5 root 5 over 29. So t is in decimal 0.484889, and what's another result? It's negative. Now another is minus 0.28. So guys, we have to reject that. T should be positive. So we can write t as 4.889. We can write 0.49. Okay, 2 decimals, so 0.49 is the right answer. Okay, now move to the next question. Here the function f. The function f is such that fx is given. You know, for any log must be defined when this must be greater than 0. For example guys, we have log of a and this fx. This log will be defined only when your fx is greater than 0. So 5x plus 2 must be greater than 0. 5x must be greater than 2, minus 2, sorry. X is greater than minus 2 over 5. So it says x greater than a. So a should be minus 2 over 5, right? Now find the range of f. Range of f. Yeah, range of f is all real number, right? It's a ln, log. So log has this kind of graph, right? minus infinity to plus infinity. So range of log is all real number capital R. Find f inverse x and stating its domain. Domain quickly I can say, because range of f is the domain of f inverse x. So domain will be capital R here, but f inverse x we have to find. So guys, y equals ln 5x plus 2. So we can write ln 5x plus 2 equals y. 5x plus 2 equals e to the power y. 5x equals e to the power y minus 2, and x equals 1 over 5 e to the power minus 2, and here it is f inverse x, which is 1 over 5 e to the power x minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, now on this axis, sketch the graph of fx and f inverse x and stating the exact values. Okay, no problem. What is fx? ln 5x minus 2. So it's a shifting left side. And minus 2 by 5. Okay, here I am writing, guys, better. Fx is ln 5x plus 2. Okay, so minus 2 by this is minus 2 by 5, this line. Okay, and this time log will be in this part as well. If you put x equals 0, you will get ln 2, and ln 2 is always positive number. Okay, so our answer will be something like this. Okay guys, so this is my fx. And what is f inverse x, guys? 1 over 5 e to the power x minus 2, or we can say 0.2 e to the power x minus 0.4, right? So guys, 0.2 e to the power x. By the way, e to the power x has this graph, okay, and it is shifting down by 0.4, so it will be something like that. So let's try to get some idea. E to the power 0 is 1, so 0.2 minus 0.4, it's minus, so it will come here. Okay, and of course it will go something like this. Now stating the exact values of intercepts. Okay, so we have to say this, and this. So this is the log part, and so here it will be x is 0, so this is ln 2, and for this what about this, guys? Yeah, so we have to find this value. Here we know y 0, right? So can we make y 0 here? Or you can say, it's a mirror image. So we can say ln 2 is here, then ln 2 will be here. And can we put x equals 0 in this? If we put x equals 0, it is minus 0.2. It will be also minus 0.2, because it's a mirror image. You know that. Okay, let me show. It's a mirror image of y is equal to x with respect to y is equal to x. This is your y is equal to x. By the way, we are concerned about these values. So we got our answer, right? Okay, now move to the next question. The function g is such that solve g square. It's guys, g of x. Okay, this is not g square, this is g of x, which is minus 2. So what is gx? We have gx as root x minus 4. So g of x is root of gx minus 4. Okay, and g of x is minus 2, and root of gx is root x minus 4, and this minus 4, right? Okay, shift minus 4 to left side, so 4 minus 2, that's 2, which is root of x minus 4. Now it's square 4 root x minus 4, take 4 to left side, 8 root x, now is square, that is 64. X is root 64, but we have to verify that x should be positive, so we got positive. Okay, till now x is valid. Now if you put x root 64 here, then it should be valid also. So root 64 is 8, 8 minus 4 is plus 4, so this is also valid. So x is equal to 64 is the valid answer. Okay, this is for 3 marks. So it was simple question. I don't think this question was difficult. Okay, question number 10. The first 3 terms of arithmetic progression is given. Find the exact values of x for which sum to 20 terms. Okay guys, so Sn is n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, right? So sum to 20 terms. So okay, S20 equals 20 over 2 times 2. First term is sine 3x, and 20 minus 1 times. Guys, what's the difference? 5 sine 3x and sine 3x, 2 sine 3x, right? Okay, and S20 is given 390. So this is 390 actually. This is 10. This is 2 sine 3x. This is 19 times 2. This is 38 sine 3x. So guys, 1 0 we can cancel. So this is 39, and this is 40. 2 sine 3x and 38. So it's a 40 sine 3x, right? Now, so what I got as a sine 3x? Is everything okay? Sine 3, okay, 3, n minus 1d. Oh, this is 1 sine 3x and this is 5, so 4. It should be 4. Okay, it should be 4. So guys, 19 times 4. Okay, 19 times 4, how much? It's 76. So it should be 76 here. Okay, 76 plus 2, it should be 78. Okay, so this is 39 over 78. This is half, and this is sine 3x. So guys, sine 3x is half. By the way, is yeah, x is pi by 2. So x is 0 to pi by 2. Now here x is 0 to pi by 2. Multiply by 3 guys. So this is 3 pi by 2. Okay, so when sine is positive? Sine is positive in first quadrant and in second quadrant, right? Yeah, only in these 2 quadrants sine is positive. Okay, so 3 pi by 2 means, oh, we have angle tilde this step. Okay, no issue. So we can. So guys, this 3x equals sine inverse half, right? So first angle is this, which is pi by 6. But we have to find this angle also, which is pi minus pi by 6. So guys, 3x is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6, right? Now we have to divide by 3 also. So pi by 18 comma 5 pi by 18, right? So x equals, I got pi by 18, 5 pi by 18. What are the exact values of, yeah, exact values of x we got. Okay, now move to the next question. First three terms of geometric progressions are, okay, explain why this progression has sum to infinity. Because sum to infinity common ratio must lies between -1 to 1. So let's find R. 10 cos square y over 20 cos square y. So guys, this is 1 over 2 cos y. Okay, so guys, cos y has range between -1 to 1. So 1 over 2 cos y, okay, divide by 2. So what we understood, this is common ratio, okay? So common ratio I got between -half to half. Yes, so if common ratio lies between -1 to 1, so yes, of course, this is a formula of sum to infinity is valid here. Now find the value of y for which, okay, y in radian, and for which sum to infinity is 9. So guys, s infinity is 9, it is given, and s infinity has formula of 1 a over 1 minus r, that's 9. A means first term. What is first term? 20 cos y. 20 cos y, 1 minus common ratio. What's the common ratio, guys? 0.5 cos y. So 1 minus 0.5 cos y, which is 9. Now cross multiply. 20 times cos y, 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times 0.5 is 4.5 cos y. Now take this side. 20 plus 4.5 is 24.5 cos y equals 9. Cos y equals 9 over 24.5. Is there any condition on y? Y lies between 0 to 2. Okay, by the way, cos is positive, right? So y is cos inverse 9 over 24.5. What is that? Cos is positive. When cos is positive, guys? In first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. So this will be the answer, as well as this can be the answer. So first I have to check whether my calculator in radian or not. Yes, it's in the radian. Okay, shift and cos inverse, that's 9 over 24.5. That is equal to 1.194. So 1.194 we can say, or 1.19. Okay, and what about this, guys? This will be 2 pi minus 1.19. So 1.19, and another will be 2 times pi, 2 pi minus 1.19. Oh, it's very big, 5.09. So actually both can possible, but according to the question, y should lies between 0 to 2. So we have to reject it, we have to accept this. So guys, y equals 1.19 will be your answer. Great, it's done, guys. Okay, fine. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. We have done that, and in the next video I will solve another paper. It's P1, I think. Let's go back. Yes, it is paper 1. I will solve in paper 2 as well. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.